Hey guys, welcome back to Salvagemasterv channel for another episode of Lexus Rebuild. In today's episode I wanna send everything with the 1500 and 2500 and buff it out. This car should be ready to be assembled, but also I have to paint the bumper because I didn't have enough time to do that when I was painting vehicle. Let's do this and be done with this vehicle, and we can start another project. As I said in the previous episode, I have few dirts, mainly dirts on this fender. I don't know what's going on, but I have couple dirts over here that I have to take it off. Razor blade with the tape on the ends. Let's get those dirts out, check the whole car. Maybe I'll find more dirts, take them out with the razor blade, and then we can start sanding. Right guys, I finished with the razor blade. There's a few dirts on the hood, here, there. That fender is completely good, door is awesome. Mainly dirt got on this fender, I don't know why, but I have like 2, 4, 6, 8, about 10 dirts over here and few on the door. That's it. Let's get the 1500, send the whole car, and then let's switch to 2500. Alright, I finished with the 1500, now 2500, one more pass, and I can start buffing. Alright, I finished with the sanding. Now that side is dry. I can start buffing while this side is drying out. Let's get a buffer, compound, and start buffing the other side. Let's do this. Alright guys, it's the next day. I didn't have enough time to finish buffing and paint the bumper. Let's do that today. And tomorrow we can start assembling vehicle. And I think at that stage, it should be complete. Alright, I need to finish this bumper painted while it's warm so it dries out. Let's sand it down. Alright guys, that's it for this episode. Bumper is painted, came out nice. Car is buffed out. It looks awesome, shiny. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much for your support and watching these videos. Please like this video, comment down below, subscribe and share so other people can see rebuild and maybe have some kind of experience with rebuilt cars, because not all the cars that been rebuilt like this. There's some good rebuilds, there's some bad rebuilds, so people can see what they can look for and not getting burned. I see a lot of people being burned through Copart, through other guys that have rebuilt the vehicle and sold it, but the rebuild wasn't done properly. That way they can see and compare how this rebuild was done, where to look for damage or for something else that will help other people in the future to make their decision on purchasing a rebuilt or salvage vehicle. Thank you for watching. Please like this video, comment down below, subscribe and share. And I'll see you in the next one.